Hey Blooms! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, dahil maraming nagre-request nito, akala mo naman napakarami, pero meron talagang mga nagre-request nito. Hindi ko alam kung ilan sila, but I don't know bakit gustong-gusto nyong makita yung reaction ko dito. So, we're going to watch Monster RX 93.1 interview. Napanood ko na kasi siya, so ayoko na sanang ulitin and i-post yung reaction ko. But dahil gusto niyo ata makita yung reaction ko sa Mikaya. Pero, unahan ko na kayo, hindi na ganun ka-OA yung reaction ko dahil napanood ko na nga siya. And, ang maganda rito, dahil wala pa akong reaction sa K-Twins, they are also one of my favorite reactors. So, panoorin natin yung reaction video nila para naman hindi masabi na inulit ko ulit. At least nandyan yung K-Twins, no? And it depends pa rin kung paano nila i-hype yung reaction nila. Baka ma-hype din ako ulit sa I Love You One ng Mikaya, okay? So, ito na. Simulan na natin. Ay, nako. Let's go! Alright. Let's go, K-Twins!
Hi guys.
Hey.
Hello. There's a sub version of this interview, so we're watching it.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. This was a good interview.
Nothing.
I'm
No
so
money is being
excited.
made.
I'm excited sa reaction ng Twins. Kasi alam ko talagang OTA to and baliw na baliw din sila sa mga ships. So, let's go!
Monster RX 93.1. You just heard Huntrix
Wish
with
107.
Golden here
Golden.
on the deep dish with Aubrey. Now, Huntrix, a lot of us have seen K-pop Demon
I
Hunters
still have not seen K-pop
basically
Demon
stealing the
Hunters.
Hun
I
Moon.
know.
But did you guys know that here
What
in
does
the
the Hun
Philippines,
Moon mean?
we're all good.
It's
We're all
something
set.
in-
We have hunters of our own here in the Philippines who are ready to seal the Hun Moon. Big things happening.
God.
No need
I
to
know, I don't know
blink
the context, so
twice,
I don't
you guys, 'cause we
understand
got
the
the
reference.
nation's greatest
Hey,
with us
let's go.
live here on the station.
The Hun Moon
Beanie.
Seals the demons.
Hi, guys. Okay, so we're going to be chatting in just a bit, and we're going to be having a lot of fun. But before that, of course, they are going to be treating us to a very, very special performance. They're going to be performing their newest track, Shaggedy, over
Hey.
here on The Monster.
Oh yeah. Hindi ko pala naabutan yung performance nila nung Shaggy D na live. Kasi late akong pumasok. So, right now, let's go. I'm gonna watch it with K-Twins.
So,
107.
Oh
I wish
my God.
Wish Bus would.
Yeah, like
Release?
when is Wish Bus gonna release? 'Cause I need to see the
Hey.
outro.
You guys
Curse
know
of
Shaggedy
Demon.
Shaggedy Shop?
You bug-
Open
ano
it
yun?
up. What's that? You might be asleep now. You ain't sick of
I wonder how hard it is not to dance when I see this.
Probably very, very hard.
Rotate that body. Then touch your feet
Oh my gosh.
like OMG. Shaggedy Shaggedy Shop Popo. Shaggedy Shaggedy Shop Popo.
Let's go, their vocals, come on.
I really do too. It speaks to me.
Let's go, Colette. Ay, Juliet pala.
Ano yun?
Let's dance.
Oh yeah, Joe forgetting to sing. I low-key
Yeah,
I got
she
so
was-
annoyed at her.
When did she do it? Her part? Is it after the rap?
I can't remember what it was, but she just was something.
After that.
No, you know she's not forgetting her rap.
Hey.
She ate that too.
I think she was playing around.
She was. John Colette looked back at her.
No, I think Malloy does.
Tuwan-tuwa ako sa
She
Twins
was
na to.
yapping. Right here.
Oh my
No,
gosh.
no, it's coming.
She must have Stacy, I think.
Of course she is.
Grabe ka na, Mika Liu.
Is it here? No. I'm waiting for it.
I bet you can't do my dance.
Oh, wait! Oh, there you go.
Like,
Oh, ayun pala yung hinihintay nila. nakalimutan ni Jo. Come on, Jo. Why naman? Charot lang. Pero okay lang yun. Walang mali. Walang mali sa'yo.
Not the leader.
Not the leader. Not the leader. Ay, talaga to.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. They don't have in-ear. That's why. It's really live.
She said lip sync that.
Hala. This is what I like sa twins.
Oh, that was funny.
Ay, grabe. Grabe, mic is on, Colette. Hey, let's
It's
go.
live.
It's a radio. It's a radio show. Where is it live?
Hey.
Colette literally
Go,
was
Mika.
coming out to her and I
Ah.
look behind her, look at Joe like, what are you doing?
Grabe. Kahit nakaupo, sabay-sabay. So, tuwan-tuwa sila dun sa miss line ni Jo. But that is fine. Ganun talaga. At least, rinig nyo, live na live.
Her girlies, once again, Beanie with their latest
No.
track on the monster, and that was live,
okay.
guys. Pure.
You know,
It's
it
okay,
happens.
see?
She was
Yeah.
vibing. She was having fun. Like,
welcome to the station. Oh my gosh, we are so happy to
Joe
have you
said some
here.
boss
The
girl shit
station
during this
is a
interview.
buzz.
She does.
Ang saya lang talaga ng vibes dito. So we are so happy to have you guys live with us.
Hey.
Now, of course, we know that a lot of our monsters already know who you guys are, but for sake of formalities, how about a quick group greeting and maybe a individual
I
greeting
thought
from
both was
members
checked
as
by
well?
Joe. Yeah, she did.
2, 3, mabuhay!
Hi, I'm Beanie Gwen. Hi, I'm Colette. I'm Joanna. I'm Maloy.
Why?
Stacy.
I got a Browns jersey on.
I know.
Hi, I'm Mika.
And we are
Monsters.
Grabe.
We're a monster.
Girl!
Hi, I'm Aubrey. The joke lang. Nakisama sa greeting, no? But hi, guys. Welcome to the
What?
Deep
Nothing.
Dish. Hi,
Nothing,
guys. Kamusta
nothing,
na kayo?
nothing.
Yes!
Nothing happened.
Salamat po. May nagtanong sa atin kamusta tayo. We are happy and actually kababalik lang po namin from our 3-week break.
Oh
my
So
gosh.
now we are well rested, recovered, and ready to work again.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Laban agad. Wait, a 3-week break? That's crazy. Well, you guys did just come from your Beanieverse World Tour as well. So, much deserved. Curious ako, how do you guys usually like relax kapag dating sa mga ganito?
Siguro,
She's just like me for real.
Me time.
Stumbling over.
Oo, may
Stumbling over
kanya-kanya
words.
lakad. Kasi yun nga,
Same.
pag sa work,
Same.
kami na yung magkasama. So,
Ay, yeah.
gusto namin parang
That'd be me if I
outside
talk to
work,
them.
meron
Like,
kaming sarili
I'm over here
naming
acting like I
world. So,
wouldn't.
parang may
Mhm.
excitement pa rin kapag nagsama-sama kami together.
Ang taray.
Yeah.
Self time. Sige, break muna tayo. Ganun. But yeah, welcome. And it has been a hot minute since you guys
A hot minute.
chatted
She knows
with
all
the
the.
monster. I believe the
she
last
knows all
time
the
na
lingo.
Hot
nag-interview
minute?
kayo
Like,
dito
do people still
was
say that?
during the pandemic 2021. Online pa ata tayo
No.
nun, no? And that was like...
Oh, no, it has been a hot minute, though. It's
Yeah.
2021.
Bago pa
Like,
kayo
that's-
sa scene. And now you guys are like...
Oh,
Beanie
right.
Beanie. So, have you guys ever, like, has it ever hit you how far you've
Here, kill
come?
me if I said a joke and they
It was
did laugh.
how
Like,
many years ago?
I
You
know.
guys are the
God.
Yankees girl group.
I'd be like, what?
Actually po,
That's why I would never even
The
know.
vibe of
until now,
twins.
Kung anumang achievements meron po kami ngayon, never po namin siyang alam niyo po yun, parang nilagay sa utak namin na
Oh, yeah.
ganito na kami.
Mm-mm.
Kasi po,
Right.
Yeah, Colette's so
palagi
fit.
po namin
Yes.
nire-remind yung isa't isa
So
na,
good.
uy, hindi pwedeng lalaki ang ulo, dapat humble lang palagi. Kasi hindi naman po ito parang forever na nangyayari. Malay mo parang mabilis po kasi siyang dumating sa amin. So baka po sa isang iglap, parang mabilis din po mawala. So dapat grateful lang po kami palagi.
Yeah.
For sure, for sure. And that is such a beautiful mindset to have, you guys. Like, especially for a group na nasa level nyo na ngayon. That is honestly really beautiful to know na may ganun pa rin kayong mindset. Now, I'm sure you guys have met so many fans. Again, kakagaling nyo lang sa World Tour. And I'm sure you have met a lot of fans whose messages na talagang very kind, very impactful sa inyo. But I'm kind of curious, has there been
Thank
a
you,
bad
Coconut.
interaction
Hey.
na parang unforgettable sa inyo?
Well, we've had a lot of
There you go, Cass.
memorable
No more
fan
ads.
interaction. But for me, I would say that's when we went to New York ba yun? There was this kid.
Oh.
Yeah, her
Maybe?
name is Mavis.
Mavis,
and
Mavis.
Yun, she went there with her mom and she was supposed to have dialysis, if I'm not mistaken. No, chemo actually.
Oh
Chemo
my
on that
gosh.
day.
Surgery na.
Oh.
Yes, and then
You got
but
chemo on
yeah,
the same
fortunately
day?
she got to watch our concert that day and we got to meet her, so it was so nice.
Oh
and
my
she's such an adorable
I know
kid.
Mika went crazy.
The way
Yeah.
she talks and she was giving everybody hugs, so it was a very intimate and memorable time.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
I could imagine. Ang sweet nun. That is absolutely crazy. You know, let's talk a little bit more of your experience noong Beanieverse as a total. Now, you guys, ang dami niyong napuntahan. 5 countries, 16 cities, all in the
Wow.
span of 3
Come back.
months.
Come back. Please
Come back. They really want it.
Wild.
Wild?
Ano po, tayo.
I can't wait to see what happens on the
super
bus. I
fulfilling siya
literally
for
can't.
us kasi every city had its own energy.
Right.
Tapos talagang sarap sa puso makita yung mga blooms
I wanna
namin.
go
And
to
some of them have been with us po kasi since pre-debut era.
It
So
wasn't
may mga
Chicago. It
characters na
wasn't
bumalik
Chicago.
kami
I know
na pang
that.
second time na namin. So talagang tanda pa rin namin yung mga mukha nila. And ang saya
Oh,
lang na
no.
hindi na same faces yung nakikita namin, di ba? Ang dami na, as in, parang, actually ako pinaka nagulat din ako sa London, na parang, akala ko may
London,
magulong pa sa
I
atin sa
know,
London.
damn.
Tapos pag tingin namin, grabe, one of
I'm just kidding.
one of the loudest crowds.
Oh my gosh. And how
What's
many
going on?
artists can say na, oh, we were able to like perform in London, tas ang warm ng reception sa amin. So that is absolutely, I don't know, amazing
rocking
to
this
say the least.
ponytail.
Is there like
Did you
a
see her
city
whole
or
outfit?
country na
Her fit is
nabisitahan nyo na
great.
talagang siguro unforgettable din?
Dubai?
Dubai.
Kasi yun po yung first live performance namin, like ever first live performance
Ever?
namin.
Really?
2021.
Oh wow, fresh from the pandemic ba? That is crazy. Now, let's talk about some behind the scenes stuff that could have happened behind the tour. Was there any funny or siguro
I'm sure there
memorable
were.
moments
I cannot
while
wait.
preparing for this tour or
Don't-
kaya
don't talk about-
when
don't
you
talk
guys
to
were,
Mika
like,
about no
from one
Ubers.
country to another?
Feeling ko, for me, one of the memorable memories talaga nung meron kaming stopover na city. Like, wala kaming stop doon, pero kasi
Hindi tayo nag-show.
hindi kami nag-show doon, pero nag-stopover kami doon. Tapos, kasi rest day siya, so parang usapan namin sa bus, tulog lang tayo girls, rest tayo.
And they
Tapos
just-
pagdating sa hotel, tara labas.
There you go.
Music museum muna
And
kami.
Cleveland.
Cleveland.
Viva the Cleveland.
Cleveland.
Yung Rock and Roll Museum.
So close to
Tapos,
Cincinnati.
Cleveland.
I know, so close
Not-
to Cincinnati.
not really.
Not real. It's like 3.5 hours from us.
Kaya,
It's at the top of Ohio.
hindi yata alam ng Blooms kasi nag-post ako ng edit nun. Tapos,
Post
walang,
ka ng edit.
parang video edit lang. Nag-vlog lang ako nun.
Isn't she
Halos
wearing
ako si
a-
Bebe
a
sa
brown
first half.
suit?
Ay,
Yeah,
nakalabas
is that a
lang
brown
siya. Hinintay
suit?
niya kami. And chill lang siya. So, kasi siya, perfect. Nag-charge siya para sa zoo. Pero nalobat din siya. Kasi nung zoo,
I love that.
Parang
Siyang isang city talaga.
like, mas malaki pa sa Isabela. Ganun.
That's crazy.
Nawala ka nun.
Sino usually ba yung who usually comes up with the idea na, oh, tara labas tayo. Sino yung pasimuno?
Ate
nun?
Aya.
You know, I am gonna get out there.
Sobrang lapit.
Sobrang
Sabi niya
lapit,
sobrang
pero
lapit daw.
Oh,
Huwag kayo naniniwala. Pag sa mga galang tao, huwag kayo naniniwala sa sobrang lapit. Kasi for them, sobrang lapit nun. Pero for you guys, if hindi kayo mahilig maglakad or tuwakbo, ay talagang mawiwindang kayo. Yung lapit na 5 minutes, ay huwag kayong naniniwala sa mga ganyan. Char!
somehow. It's
But that's true.
walking distance, an hour later.
Yung mabilis malobat pagdating sa ganun.
Oh, to win. Why should I regret
Every time
this?
we were walking sa zoo, parang, tara, next.
Yeah, let's go.
Kasi parang, okay na, natingnan na ni Gwen.
Yung inside joke po kasi namin, guys, 2% na lang si Gwen.
She's not denying it either.
Her energy.
Percent ka na lang.
Yeah, what percent are you at?
100 na lang.
Oh.
Yung end
Oh my gosh. Well, at least, siguro if it's any comfort, kapag magkakasama kayo, there's like that level of recharge naman siguro.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
for a little bit. For
Of
now.
course. Now, while I do know that you love your fans a lot, and I can imagine how exhausting the tour could have been as well. Syempre, palipat-lipat kayo ng cities, and of course, dire-diretsong performances. How do you guys recharge? Like, mas nakakapag-recharge ba kayo kapag lumalabas? Or are you guys more the type to stay in?
Siguro po kapag may rest day kami, ganun, katulad po ng sabi ni Ate Maloy, mas pinipili po namin yung me time or with friends or with family. Pero for now po kasi, malayo po kami sa mga family po namin. So siguro, most of the time, nagsha-shopping lang kami. Yun talaga yung pang-recharge po namin. Shopping, church, and kumakain po kami every time na may
As you
downtime.
should.
And
Hey.
ayun. And syempre yung blooms din po, pa-recharge po every time nakita namin sila.
Don't
Aw.
walk up to Miko when she's eating.
Siguro,
Don't walk
Go
up
on,
to any
go
of
on, go
them.
on, girlie, go on.
siguro kaya rin pinipili namin lumabas kahit rest day instead na magpahinga. Kasi parang ilan lang din yung rest day namin
Yeah,
sa isang
I mean, you might as well
buwan.
make the most
So
of it.
parang, pag kasi nakahiga ka lang, parang ang
But like,
bilis
if you
ng
need sleep,
oras.
yeah.
So gusto namin na susulit talaga yung rest day
Productive
namin.
day pa
Nice.
rin.
That is true. Syempre, sa dami niyo pang pinupuntahan, like, sulitin habang nandun na kayo eh, no?
Totoo.
My gosh. Gusto niya. Si Maloy was like, yeah, totoo. True. Now, I am curious as well. Syempre, if you guys go, let's say, to another country, doon kayo sa mga
It's a good
hotel, or let's say
interview.
wherever you guys are staying in, do you guys do roommates or tagi-isa kayong kwarto?
Roommate.
May
Usually,
roommates po.
by twos yung nangyari.
Oo, usually po by twos kami sa
By twos. So, like, paano? Like, do
And
you
by
guys have...
age.
By
By
age.
age. Kunwari, Ate Aya, Colette, ako, Gwen, Mika, Stacy, Joanna, and Sheena.
Pero minsan nagwi-wheel of names din tayo.
Pag nagsawa na.
A woman
Pag
that
nagsawa
has
na.
names is so chaotic.
Normally po talaga nag-wheel of names po kami. Pero since talagang ano po kami, hotel hopping nung
Right.
world tour, ang hassle, di ba, pag
Yeah,
palit-palit.
I mean,
So
yeah, you
sabi
get
namin,
used
okay,
to.
for this tour, eto na lang muna para fix na.
What if
and
your
di na
pizza was
magulo.
Well, you just
Yeah.
switching.
Now, this tour was in a span of 3 months again. I'm curious, is there something new that you found out about your
There ain't no
respective
way they live
roommates?
together
Parang,
for.
Yeah.
okay, ang bilis pala neto malobat. Ay, nakotsera pala to. Meron ba?
Uh-oh.
Alam na nila yan.
John and Sheena, there must be tea there, because
Corner natin to.
no, Joanna and Sheena must have. John's got some tea, I think. Damn, they just made Mika go first.
Okay, don't look at your group. Don't look at your group mates. Dito tayo para hindi kayo ma-pressure. Hindi, joke. Go on, go on.
Sino ba
I don't
roommate?
know.
Si Ate Colette. Tsaka
Wow.
ako.
Minsan lang,
Oo.
mga dalawang beses lang
Pero
siguro tayo
sa, ano yung Pennsylvania,
Ah,
tayo
tayo,
magka-roommate.
Hindi, pero kay, ano ka, by age tayo.
Ah,
Sino
so
ka naman
sis
sa
ako.
Albuquerque?
What happened in Albuquerque?
What happened in Albuquerque?
Sista ako, parang I know everything na kasi lagi kami magka-roommate.
Oh yeah.
Pero mas maayos naman kasama si Staku. Feeling ko we complement each other when we're,
Hey.
yeah. Kasi we're chill, but then we make sure we're on time. Parang ako yung taga, okay lang yan. Hindi pa tayo late. Ang nangyari, she kept saying na, hindi baka late na tayo. Pagbaba namin, kami yung pinakauna.
Ay,
Ganun.
galing.
So ako yung taga,
I wonder who the late
Okay lang
one
yan.
is.
Josiah.
Oh,
You know
yeah.
what? On the topic of sinong
Oh,
pinakamaaga,
never mind. They
sinong
just literally
pinakalate.
answered this.
Usually ba, sino yung pinakamaaga sa inyo? Is it usually the both of you? Kapag ka may schedule, ay, meet up sa lobby. No. I disagree.
hey! Individually, feeling ko hindi kami.
Ikwento mo yung nagpapasahan tayo ng may...
Hindi tayo na-late. Oh.
Wow. Pero,
Somebody's lying. for
Sino
sure.
yung
usual na maagas, who is the latest? Not necessarily yung late na
I already know. It's her. I already know.
Ba't parang 10:45 nakarating na kayo? No.
Depende po eh. Pero kasi, siguro
know.
recently si ate mo.
Tuloy.
Bago na si Maloy, hindi na siya maaga.
She literally didn't even defend herself. She didn't even defend herself.
Kumakanta lang siya habang nagpe-prep. Kaya
Aha.
nalilate. Pero maaga talaga ako magising. Ang tagal ko kasi mag-prepare.
Ako, so please believe
May prep pa siya, may ritual. Kaya medyo, ano,
Every
well,
morning.
you know, it's a thing. It's a thing. Now, well, let's also talk about Shaggy, of course, which you guys performed in kanina. It is, well, you guys have a highly anticipated video release coming tomorrow, and I believe there is also a little bit of a release happening later on. Is this a preview? Is this a preview of the
They're like, what?
Music
Like, what do we
video
do?
po.
What's
So,
the
parang
schedule?
first time natin ginawa na unang i-release yung music sa, kumaga malaki yung gap.
Mm-mm.
And excited kami dito kasi first time namin matry yung concept na to. Very
Exactly,
ano siya,
Kaz.
street style.
It
Tapos ang
is.
dami naming nakasama from the dance community.
Right.
We can't say too much kasi baka ma-preempt yung music video.
Of
So,
course.
abangan niyo po yan tonight, 8 p.m. And tomorrow. Ay, hindi, tomorrow, 8 p.m., August 8.
Nagulat nga ako when I first heard the track, because like we're coming from the likes of Blink Twice, we're coming
That was
from the
so
likes
funny.
of Secrets, which is very,
We
you know,
watching that.
it's very cutesy, it's very pop. This biglang, you guys have like a grittier sound with Shaggy.
I'll say all
Was
that
this
whispering
always,
and
like,
vocal
the plan?
fry,
Did you guys
I'll say
want
it's
to do, like, this
grittier.
kind of a genre switch, or
Genre
it
switch.
just so happened na dumating this-
John Russ.
Well,
I
kami,
love-
I
we
love
are
Beanie.
really
I
Like, I love
open
everything.
to anything. So we're always down to discover, explore new things. And even if most people, whenever they hear or see us, it's like they think of very poppy, upbeat songs.
Right.
But like with Shaggy D, it's a very maangas song, but we like it. And personally, I like.
We know you do, Aya. We know
love
you
dancing
like it.
to Shaggy D.
Yeah, we know, sis.
No,
We
I
know, we know Aya does.
Like we try dancing to it as well. We have a TikTok ourselves, and ang saya,
Can be
like
me.
we're all over
Nope,
the studios
that
go
will
check
never
it,
be
check it.
me.
It was so much fun. Now, another thing that I've read, and I
Jarrell.
feel like I need
Hi,
confirmation
Jarrell.
about this: the album art, or rather, the
But why
cover
so
art.
modest?
I know. Like, girl, you
No,
slay.
ikaw daw ang gumawa.
She's so modest.
You did. Come on, have more
Bird,
confidence.
yes.
Girl, you
Actually,
did that.
pa, nung time na nagre-record kami ng iba pa naming stuff like kunwari mga brand shoots and brand recordings, ginagawa ko yun sa kalagitnaan. Then, I feel like para talaga akong may work. Kasi, as in may revisions din siya, may deadline, may kailangan...
It's different when you've
may
got
kailangan
deadlines.
akong
Yeah.
ipasa this
Oh,
time
yeah.
mo. So, sobrang tagal ko talaga yung tinrabaho and first time ko matry yung ganong kind of art. So, it's
Love that.
something na na-discover ko sa sarili ko. So,
Yes.
thank you to my management for letting me create the cover art of Shaggy D.
Oh my-
And
Cute.
it's one for the box, hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Kasi andyan na yun forever, nasa Spotify na yan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that is
So,
true. It's literally
yun. Thank you
everywhere.
so much. Thank you, Bloom, sa mga
Proud of you.
ng art ko. Thank you.
So, naranasan mo rin yung, okay, Shaggy D cover art final. Shaggy D cover art final reel na to.
Ang dami pa.
Yeah, out of revision.
Parang dapat ganitong file, ganitong klaseng file.
Oh, yeah.
It's parang,
Yung final converter. Oh, gosh,
Convert na
that is
ganyan. So,
crazy.
yeah.
But, you know, nairaos nyo naman. And from
Hi,
what
nurse.
we see on
Welcome.
TikTok,
Hi, nurse.
Blooms, and honestly, kahit yung mga
Hope you're doing
casual
well.
listeners nyo pa lang, they are loving the track. They are dancing to it.
Who cannot
and
dance
are
to
really
Shaggy
just
D?
having
Like,
a fun
literally.
time, which I feel is also something that you guys were going for when you released this track. Tama.
Somebody else
All
talk.
right, Shaggy, to all the monsters, by the way, who just tuned in, we are live with Beanie right now. And Shaggy, if you're unfamiliar, is a game. It's a game that you would play. A lot of people have probably played that when we were younger. Para siyang follow the leader. It's kind of like a round song. And it is something that, well, I played it a lot in my childhood. So I'm curious. I'm sure you guys have played it amongst yourselves as well. Have you tried playing like an actual game of Shaggy amongst yourselves?
They did in
Kayo-kayo.
Dubai, remember? They
Try
certainly
po
did
namin,
try.
pero Pag matagal na po,
But the one dude just was
nakakatawa
not.
na siya. Kasi gumagawa
He
na
wasn't about to do it.
kung ano-anong sayaw. Hihiga na lang. Hindi mo na masusundan po. So, sobrang fun niya po siya gawin talaga.
Ano yung pinaka like out of pocket na siguro
Out
Out of
of
pocket.
pocket.
That's wild.
yung higa ba?
Sino bang pinaka, kung ano-ano, si Stako. Kung ano-ano
Yeah, I can
ginagawa
see-
niya.
I can definitely
Spotlight
see
niya.
Cool.
Maybe not out of pocket, but wild.
Usually, sino yung unang nawawala sa
I mean,
rhythm?
none of
Or
them,
all
sis.
of you guys are able to properly
Come on.
follow
They
it through
pros.
naman?
They're
Nawawala
dancer
po kami pag
dancers.
may nagpapatawa, wala na po.
Ayun lang.
Wala na po kami nasa rhythm. Focus
They're cracking out.
They said, well, bet.
And pag may premyo po, seryoso po kami.
Balance.
Sige nga, kapag ka may premyo, I feel like you guys are quite competitive when it comes to games. I feel like you guys are medyo game naman. We're not going to be playing Shaggy, but we are going to be trying out a little game of Oracle later on, which is kind of, I guess, the closest thing we could get to Shaggy on air. So all the monsters tuned in, Oracle, the whole concept of it is like, we get to ask Beanie a question, and they get to answer us. But the catch is, they could only say one word at a time. Tas dapat paduktong-duktong. So for example, may magtanong na, for example, may chance ba ako sa crush ko? They could go one by one saying, taken na si crush, wag ka nang umasa. It doesn't have to be 8 words,
I cannot wait to
honestly.
hear what they actually came up with here,
We
'cause
are opening
apparently it's
the text
wild.
line, not the
Oh,
hotline,
really?
but the text line for
Just
any
like just
questions
crazy?
that you guys
Like, the
have
stuff they were
for the
coming up
girlies.
with
We're going
was
to be
just
playing that in
insane.
just a bit, but I do also want to ask you guys a little bit of a then and now naman tayo. Syempre, since you guys have just celebrated like your 4th year together as a group, which is again crazy considering it is hard to sustain that much momentum as a group for 4 years. And for context, it takes college students generally 4 years to graduate, and ang daming pwedeng mangyari in those 4 years.
Is that the same
So what
in the
is
Philippines?
the
Hi,
biggest
Ray. Hi, Ray.
change siguro that you guys underwent, looking back and looking now?
Biggest change?
Oh, she thought it was
Excited
time.
sa game.
Ready.
Oh, that's so funny. That's funny. She was
But
ready.
yeah,
was ready
while we
for
wait
it.
the questions, what is probably the biggest change that you guys underwent?
Biggest change, feeling ko aside sa confidence, syempre naging confident tayo, especially after World Tour, napansin din ng Bloomsday na parang iba yung na-help,
Hey.
Kami
na-help
sa
sa atin.
stage.
Siguro aside sa confidence, we've definitely matured po. In terms of, we've definitely matured not just as performers but as people, di ba? Parang
She
we've learned
clots.
to
She
we've learned how to
clots
communicate better,
these
how to
haters.
handle
Oh, man.
pressure,
Oh.
how to handle our emotions.
Right.
Yes, so
Clock.
Tapos parang, I feel like,
She clots.
parang
She
mas
clots him at some
nag-jive na din
point.
talaga kayo. Like, as the years go by,
No,
your
thank
friendship
you.
together, your sisterhood just goes
Sisterhood.
stronger
No,
and
thank
stronger.
you. Salamat.
But what is one thing
Hey.
the other side of the coin? One thing that you guys
May no
promise
salamat.
would never change about Beanie. No matter, let's say, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years na kayo magkakasama, this will never change.
Yeah. And never po lalaki ulo namin.
Yes.
Hindi po talaga yun mangyayari. Kahit anong sabihin ng mga tao.
Great.
Parang hindi ko ma-imagine na walang magsasabihan sa amin kung may lumaki ng ulo.
Kasi
Yung gano'n.
They call each
sa
other
bunutan
out.
po si ni Sheena pag pag lalaki ulo.
sobrang love namin for each other. Kasi syempre, may mga times talaga na akala nila hindi kami totoo sa isa't isa na parang ang dami na namin pinagdaanan, ilang years na kami
Right.
magkakasama, hindi na friendship to ano na to magkakapatid, family na to. So kahit anong sabihin
That's why I
nila
love
about sa
to
amin,
them.
OT1, OT2, hindi mangyayari
It's
yun.
swallow
We are
hanggang
OT8.
dulo.
And, yeah, they spread negative things about us because they can
Yes! Preach!
Dahil na best leader.
Oh my gosh!
Narinig niyo yun?
Like a true
Pero baka hindi nyo narinig kasi ang ingay namin. Ang ingay ko na nga, ang ingay pa ng pin. So, ewan ko lang kung narinig nyo yung sinabi ni Jo. Pero kung gusto nyo marinig, just watch it sa Monster RX 93.1.
Yes. Gas her
Well,
up.
honestly, it is so nice and so refreshing to see that. Again, it is, how do I say this? It's
They
a bit of a
cannot-
challenge
They cannot handle strong women. Come on, love that.
to really get to this point na talaga magkakabond talaga kayo after all of these years na hindi kayo nagkakainis na parang, ano ba to? Na ganon.
Yeah.
You guys are still together. Again, this is a sisterhood. And one thing that you guys kept saying then is, hindi lalaki ang ulo nyo. What is one thing that you guys keep thinking of so that you can stay grounded? Despite the fame, the opportunities, and everything, how do you stay grounded?
I think yung humble beginnings. Kasi nagsimula kami talaga sa nasa lapag talaga kami. Like, hindi namin alam kung may mapapatunayan ba kami. And yung time na ipinaglaban talaga kami ni Direk Laurent and our management, parang yun yung naging wake-up call sa amin na, okay, kailangan natin talagang suklian lahat ng efforts nila. And we know na parang sobrang experimental pa talaga ng group namin. And walang kasiguraduhan, uncertainties talaga na magiging okay ba tayo, ang magsa-success
Oh
ba
my
tayo,
gosh.
ganun. Pero naniwala kami sa kakayahan namin. We worked
It does.
hard and we sacrificed a lot. So, I think yun. Yeah.
That is honestly very beautiful to hear. Lovely. And it's so nice to see na kahit papaano, you guys try to stay grounded as much as possible. Lovely. Now, we do have a couple of questions flooding in. Here's some monster text line. So I think we are ready to try out the Oracle game. But syempre, before we actually try it out on the questions sent by the monsters, by the
I
blooms,
just know this
how
gets
about
wild.
mag-trial run
I just know it
muna
does.
tayo? We did technically talk about this with the girls beforehand. They are familiar with the game. So to all the monsters again who are just tuning in, Oracle, it's kind of like a follow, not necessarily a follow the leader game, but we basically ask Beanie a question. It could be, let's say, advice or anything.
I don't want to go last.
Magkakajowa ba ako in the future and stuff like that. They will answer, but they can only answer one word at a time. Who are we
Yeah.
starting with? Who are we starting with? Kanino ma...
Ate Colette.
Okay. Okay, sige.
Back to front.
So paano pag ganun na lang tayo? Okay, so we're going so from here, we're gonna start from Gwen and we're gonna end with Mika. Is this how we're gonna do
Gwen
it?
to Joan.
Gwen to
Yeah.
okay, Gwen to
Okay, front
okay,
and then
lovely.
back.
Sige, mag-trial run
Front and
muna
then-
tayo. Okay? The
Okay.
question is,
Yes.
what should I do to get over a bad day?
Dang.
Ang gagawin ko ay mag inom tubig.
Coming from our best leader, Tubig.
She knows about water. That's the only thing girls should
Umaga pa
be worried
tayo.
about drinking.
Pag nakakakaba naman yun.
That's so funny. I
Yes,
used to
okay,
drink.
that's basically
I know.
how it works. So I think we could get into
That
some
is
of the
funny.
questions.
Nagkakakaba.
Grabe naman, ako din, ako din.
The clown in the Lloyd.
11:32
Why did she just catch
in
it
the
straight?
morning. All right, let's see the question. Okay. So we do have a question sent in from the Super
What did they
James. Ang tanong niya, tatagal pa ba kami ng jowa ko? Ay nako, nakasalalay sa inyo. Ay,
That's a lot.
pressure.
Pag ano naman, ang daya nyo eh.
Go.
Mahirap. Mahalin.
Pero,
Kaya.
mo,
Hindi kaya.
Hawakan.
Ang?
Gwen.
Nako.
Leg.
Hold the neck.
You
can hold the neck.
On a chokehold, I guess. You know what? You go, Super
What kind of
James.
relationship is that?
Love will have you on a chokehold. Ganun na lang siguro.
Yeah, that's
Love it.
good. That's a good way to say it.
Galing talaga ng twins.
Uy, guys,
Naiintindihan
for fun lang to,
talaga
guys.
nila.
Okay. Let's see what other questions we have here. Okay. Mark sent in a question. Papasaba ako sa masters ko. Okay.
Mas seryoso eh.
All right.
Feeling ko
Ay. Puro ka ay.
makakapasa
kung
ibigay
mo,
Best mo.
best mo.
Yeah.
Sige, isang word ang best mo. Best word lang yun. Best mo is just one word.
Ang best.
Pwede yung best.
Best.
It's all right, guys. Gwen.
Gusto niyo i-try in 2 rounds?
Grabe
Pwede naman.
yung-
We don't have to limit it to just
Oh,
2.
yeah.
Pwede naman. Pwede natin
Isa pang
habaan.
ikot.
The fact that they suggested it is
Rounds.
so,
Sige,
such
we
a
have one
beanie
more
thing to do.
question. Sige, as much rounds as we want. Kung gusto niyo habaan, go lang. Okay, the question is,
Game na game talaga sila.
how to deal with a situationship?
Why, Maloy?
wag na masama yan.
Okay.
Huwag na. Sorry.
Sakalin
Ay,
Okay.
Hindi.
Sakaling.
sakali.
Oh.
Wow. Anong minimiti? Ang
Sakaling.
kaibuturan.
Palalim daw, palalim.
Sakaling minimithi ang marikit mong mata.
Waterfalls.
Oh, they're using, okay, yeah, they're using old Tagalog words.
Plano na sila.
Ay, nako. Ayun.
Between.
Oh my God.
Ay, nako po.
Yung
Dapat pala may time limit to. The joke.
Iyong kapangyarihan. Kapangyarihang. O sige.
Kapangyarihang ibinabahagi.
napaisip ko na yung asangre.
Bisay pasok.
Kapangyarihang binabahagi sa
Sa sangre.
Gustong gusto ipasok yung sangre.
Because it's Beanie, that's
Then why
why.
do you not?
Sangring.
Tapos,
Abisari.
what? Abisala.
Alam mo si ate kulit na lang ang sumagot sa lahat.
Call us up. Yes, she is.
Ngayon.
Ngayon. Okay, ang sagot dyan, yes. Yes.
Sana naintindihan yung sagot
Oh my
nila.
gosh, thank you so much to all the monsters who sent those over. Thank you so much for being
There
to
you
me
go.
for being so game for this. Nairaos nyo and talagang lovely. It was lovely answers. Now, let's get back. I do have a couple more questions, pero wala lang, super quick lang. Let's talk about the future. Since nag-oracle naman tayo, let's talk about the future. You guys have had an eventful 2025. And of course, nagka-world tour kayo and you guys had a couple of releases as well. And as much as we would want you to take some time to rest and recover, which we are thankful that you guys did have that 3-week rest.
Yes.
Is there something planned? Like, may nakaplano pa ba? For
Always.
Oh, look at Mika.
A lot.
Mika's smiling.
Bukod sa planado na po yung buhay namin hanggang 2030.
2030.
Marami po kaming i-release this year. May mga
Hey.
release
That's
kaming
crazy 'cause
songs,
there's only,
of
what,
course, both Tagalog and
4 months
Filipino.
left?
Tagalog! Songs. And maraming po kayo
She broke her mind.
music videos, and ano pa ba? Events, fan meets.
And our cosmetic line.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yes, that's coming. Super exciting.
book.
Ayun, photo book.
Sa photo journal,
Dun
nandun yung parang journey namin lahat from the start at yung mga unreleased photos.
Most be a
of-
member sa beanie.global.
Oh my gosh, that is
Galing
amazing.
talaga
You guys
mag-promote.
have a lot in store. So Blooms, maganda kayo. Like a lot of things in store for you guys right now. It is almost time for us to wrap up the show, but before we let you guys go,
Ayan
you guys
na,
have
ayan
any
na.
messages. Siguro let's start with a message
She was like, girl,
to
stop.
one another muna. Sa inyo.
So funny.
What
Yung
message
reaction
do
ng
you have
twins.
for each other?
Let's go.
Mikaya ka ba?
Ay, alam nila.
Next to you.
Ah, okay. So sino muna? Ako?
Makulit ka ba?
Thank you sa pagbibigay. Makulit. Yee! Sa pagbibigay joy sa Beanie.
Right.
And you do you.
Yes.
Bebe, I love you so much and I cannot live without you. I hope
She
you
was
live
like-
100 years. And
There she
I
go.
hope na matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo because you deserve to be happy, you deserve to love, and you deserve to
Shit.
just you deserve it. You deserve it. I felt it.
I felt it.
I love you.
She said it back!
I'm so offended. I'm sorry. I don't care. Me?
Oh my God! Sheena!
It is so funny.
Sheena, 4
Yan, tuwang-tuwa yung twins sa mga ganyan eh.
Yo!
I'm so offended. I'm sorry. I don't care.
Let me hold your hand, baby.
Hindi pa siya tapos.
Oh, God.
No, I love them.
Mix. Thank you so much.
Oh, she said it to Joe. Oh, that's why she should have. Okay, she said it to Joe.
You may be silent.
You really are silent. You really are silent.
But you are a silent angel and our silent protector and our silent marshal. So thank you so much, Mix. I love you. And you are the prettiest in the room. It depends on if Ate Jo's here. Then
Ay, na, oh.
I love you too.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Is that Stacy? Is that Stacy, bro?
Okay, okay. Di ba? At first, parang si Stacy talaga yon. Pero si Maloy ata, I don't know. Pero at first talaga, for me, it's Stacy yung sumigaw na yon. So, kayanin natin to. Parang same height pa rin yung, parang first time ko napanood, pero, ay nako, kayanin natin to. May kaya ba kayo?
I hope that you are in a good state now. I'm happy.
She's not done yet. She's so
I
away.
hope that you're happy where you are now, and I hope that if you're not, you find that
Ay,
clarity and state of contentment.
I am
Yeah.
contented with myself.
And I love you.
Jesus Christ, bro. Well, they're getting married.
Okay. Hindi pa rin natin maitago talaga yung kilig. Sino ba naman yan? Kasi naman yung Vinegars, grabe naman makapag-hype. Sabayan nyo pa ng twins, di ba? Ay, naku po. Ang lala.
Who's your editing this now?
I love them. I love them.
Videos is cut. They know it.
Ay, naku
And they
po.
really did.
Stacy,
She looked at
Sheena.
you like, please move. She's like, why?
Ay, I love Sheena. Oh my gosh. Hey, Hayasi.
oh.
Ang gulo nila.
Wait, to Stacy, you're very kika and you bring so much light to the group.
I know that.
Hindi. Pero you bring so much joy. So
I love Stacy so much.
I love you.
Hello? Wala silang
Walang spark.
No spark.
Ay, Diyos me kaya. Yan talaga.
Tanggalin mo yung jacket mo.
Horror farming.
Josie.
Sure.
We're so pretty today. Ayun, I just want to tell you
I
na
love Josie.
you are heard,
Josie
You
Kaba?
Yeah.
you are seen, you are enough, and you're valid, and maraming nagmamahal sa'yo.
Yeah.
Palad. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, and kasama na kami dun, girls. Kahit na
Aw.
lagi ka naming inaasahan.
Even if we piss you off and bully you.
Ang happiness namin. You're our sunshine.
And they do. Yes.
We love you, Jo.
We love you.
Okay na?
Okay na.
See?
Ay, naku, ang kulit ng mga nasa front.
Ay, boy, meron joke win na mga dalawa.
Ang dalawa.
Gwena.
Oh, Gwen.
Ewan ko, parang feeling ko yung, as aside from Bebe, parang softest yung heart ko pagdating sa'yo. And thank you
Oh.
for always showing up. Kahit 2% ka na lang. Ayun, super na-appreciate namin. And tama, buti na bring up kanina ni Bebe yung sa Cleveland. Kasi talagang tumatak din sa akin yan na hinintay mo talaga kami sa labas. Yung mga ganong ways mo, diba? Doon mo pinapa-feel sa amin yung love mo kahit di ka vocal. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for appreciating. Okay.
Ay, ay.
Hello, may coach.
May pas.
Oh my God.
Clarity movement.
Hello, may ganaps pa.
Ay,
Oh, ano yun? Para to
may
sa...
pas na message.
Wait lang, para to sa... Ano? Apat na gulit.
Ba't nagalit?
For Gwendolyn!
Ay, gosh.
Thank you for being such a good ate.
That's an extra for reacting to Gwendolyn. Thank you for buying my
Thank you for buying my TV.
Itong kakampi to si ate ko ulit.
Yes.
Kahit anong gawin ko, kinakampihan niya ako.
Right, right.
Sa paningin niya. Ayun, thank you sa longer patience mo na talaga. Papalakpakan naman natin si ate ko ulit. Wala to, happy birthday to me.
Dahil dyan, Colette, what's this?
Ay, naku.
Yes, thank you, we love you.
Next naman, Colette to Ate Maloy.
Tapos na.
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
One more!
Si Maloy, isa pa raw.
She said one more.
Very, very sweet, and I'm sure your
I
blooms
love
would
them, I
really
love
enjoy
them.
that as much as you guys did.
Yeah.
Now, it is almost time for us to wrap up, but we actually have a bit of a surprise for you, girlies. Yes. So,
I told you guys.
Teka lang, bakit parang first time ko talaga napanood tong... Ay, nako. Parang napagod ako dun sa reaction ko, ah. Ang dami ko naman tawa yung pangako on sa kayot. Tapos, I really love hearing them, guys. Grabe.
kasi back in December, we had this thing called the Monster Music Awards. It's a yearly thing that we do to celebrate OPM's finest. It's our way to give recognition to our local artists' creativity, originality,
They should do a
passion,
reverse
and
one.
dedication
I
to your
agree.
craft. And of course, Beanie, you guys are no exception there. So today
course.
we are handing out some of the biggest awards to our special guests, to to Maloy, to Aya, to Mika, to Stacy, to Sheena, to Colette, and to Gwen. The recipients, Beanie, P-Pop Artist of the Year and OPM Artist of the Year. Okay,
Flex.
I'm just gonna give the girls.
I wonder how big Beanie's trophy case is
I
now.
know.
But these are yours. These are 2 awards. Just goes to show how
I wanna see
amazing
Beanie's
your
trophy
impact
case.
has been. Hold on, actually, I'm gonna give it to them right now.
As you should, Queen.
Hey.
Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm just gonna. There you go. The Monster Music Awards. Sino yung usually na Ay, kahit sino po.
Aww.
Joe, get it, go
Right,
ahead,
that's
Joe.
our leader. Kahit sino po. It's not necessarily na leader.
Somebody else.
I love it. I love it.
Somebody else.
Joe's like, I can only hold one, y'all.
And of course, 2025 is going
They
to be
think holding
big for
that
you
award
guys.
mean they gotta talk.
I'm here.
Yeah, I
Thank
think
you
you're
so
right.
much for, of course, bringing recognition to OPM here, to P-Pop. It is absolutely amazing what you guys do. So here you go, the Monster Music Award.
Yay.
Kung meron din kayong message
There you go,
to
Joe.
the monsters, all the blooms tuned in right now.
Go,
Oh,
Joe.
Joe don't have a mic.
Hi, Blue.
Hey, let's go, Gwen.
And Monster.
Oh, God,
All the monsters.
Come on, say the monsters. Dude, I got the monsters.
To all the monsters out there.
I'm not touching that mic.
Okay, gets ko kayo, twins, gets.
Oh, I love him so much.
I'll never forget the time that
Yeah, thank
the
you.
Lord tried to end
Di na natin narinig yung message ni Gwen.
The Lord looks so annoyed.
Congratulations, Beanie!
Like,
Thank
oh my
you so much as
God.
well for gracing the Monster with your presence. The 2024 Monster Music Awards, OPM Artist of the Year, and OPM P-Pop Artist of the Year.
Hey.
Keep raising
was like, nope,
and
I'm
waving
posing, I
our
can't.
flag.
The Lord was sick,
Unfortunately,
too.
that is
Like-
all of the time that we have with the girlies. that wraps up our Monster exclusive interview with Beanie Girls. Thank you so much for joining us here on the show today. I know it is kind of early, so thank you so much for being game, for bringing the energy, for singing along to Huntrix as well. Thank you so much for joining us here on the show, and we hope to have you guys back real soon.
Yay!
Thank you po.
Until
He said if
then,
you can
it's
afford
been
the
Aubrey
fee.
with the Deep Dish, only here on Manila's Hottest,
The Deep
Monster,
Dish.
RX 93.1.
They're like, in.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
It was better with subs. We didn't
It
watch it
was.
live when it live streamed, but we didn't get the full effect.
Oh, same.
It was much better
Okay.
with subs. Really, 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 really good
At least, inulit nila with subtitle. Right.
interview. I'll probably just post this to YouTube honestly tomorrow. To be honest with you, because it was so good. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch
Thank you,
guys
twins.
next time.
Right. See you next time. Okay. So that's it, guys. I love that. So, ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng reactions ng twins about sa Beanie, you can go to their channel and support them. And lagi sila nagla-live stream. So, I think naka-live stream sila dito and then they're just gonna post it sa kanilang YouTube para paulit natin at mapanood. Okay, so, yun lang. Thank you guys. I hope, ayan na, napagbigyan ko na kayo sa request nyo. With K-Twins nga lang, but of course, I love to watch them also. Kaya naman, ipagsabay na natin. So, I don't know, same reaction ba? Pero, iba pa rin kapag inulit mo talaga. Parang first time mo lang ulit napanood kasi iba talaga yung vibes and yung hype. Nakakatuwa talaga sila. So, yun lang guys. If you have other requests or recommendation to me, just comment down below. Ay, may pag-ano na ako. And let me know. Thank you so much for joining me here, Bloom. See you on my next reaction video. Bye!